Ladies and gentlemen, I'm here to talk about our PD590 AIV electronic air cleaner negative ionizer VOC removal. Very versatile, very convenient in applications such as a bedroom, nursery, office, small condos, basement apartments where you get that musty odor smells in there. Fantastic for revitalization. Negative ionization is a big process and making you feel good on a daily basis. Where you find negative ionization will be natural waterfalls, like say Niagara Falls, the ocean, a golf course. So it mimics that by creating negative ions into the air, which make you feel good and give you energy, as well as removing VOCs, tobacco smoke, allergens, pollen, dust mites, viruses, big thing. It actually filters down to 0.01 microns. We've actually have nano testing done on several of our electrostatic precipitators as well. This particular unit, 3-speed operation, simple on-off button, ionizer switch on, very simple. You have a pre-filter, washable, very easy to wash. You have the main cell itself, again washable. I'll show you just in a moment what we use to wash it and how to wash it. Then we have our carbon filter, which is for odor control. Should be replaced every 6 months. So this is the only replaceable part on this here. Both other components, pre-filter and cell itself, get washed about every 2 to 3 months, depending on the condition and the environment that you're in. We recommend using our DAX solution. DAX solution actually explains on the bottle itself how to clean the cell itself. So if you ever have any questions, but I'll go through it with you briefly on it. You basically are going to soak the cell into warm water. Let it saturate pretty good for about 5 minutes. Take the cell out, spray on a 45-degree angle, all the cells on both sides, okay? Keep it spraying it. You're gonna let it sit in the sink for about 5 minutes. No longer than that required. Rinse it really good. When you actually watch a video, see one of our videos of what comes out of one of these cells here, you'll be really surprised of what you're capturing and what you didn't breathe. Let it dry for 24 hours on a 45-degree angle. Very important, okay? We get a lot of calls, sometimes people saying, you know, they hear sparking cell and stuff. You have to let it dry properly before you put it back into operation. Once the cell is dry, airflow direction is very simple because actually written on here as well too, airflow direction. You put the cell back in. If your carbon filter is still okay, don't wash the carbon filter. If it's still good, if it hasn't been more than 6 months, you can still put it back in and keep it in line on the system until it's time to replace after 6 months. Again, your pre-filter, just wash it out as well too once it dries. The heavy mesh side, always on the back side. You put it back in, lid back down, put your switches back on. Fan speed is up to you, low, medium, or high. Back into operation. You'll have 2 illuminated lights in the front here. You'll see the operation of it once you actually do turn the unit on. You'll see a red and a green light. That means the air cleaner is in operation and the ionization is operation. Fantastic unit. Again, the only replaceable part on it is the carbon filter. The rest are washable. 1 year warranty, full factory warranty.